There's nothing in this. They gave me an empty box. Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I have been like so absent, but it is wedding season in makeup artist world and my regular job has been super busy, so my brain is in 1,000 different places. So I have some after work makeup and we're just gonna roll with it because my clumping eyelashes are just something to write home about, okay? So we are unboxing our Sephora Play, and as you can see, I already opened it, spoiler alert, because I got it a week ago and I've kind of been testing products a little bit. I know next month I'm gonna get back to my normal unboxing. It's just like, YouTube, when you have 2 other jobs, is definitely interesting, okay? And I'm not trying to complain because I love doing this as a hobby, but I want to get back into my normal routine. It's just been like, kind of like pulling teeth for me to film, which sounds terrible, but I don't want it to be. This is my hobby, this is what I like to do, and let's just jump into it. It says, make it snappy on the bag, and what does this even say? I didn't even look at this yet. Sometimes these are like super cute. Insta Beauty Bucket List. Internet fame level lighting with no filter. I can't follow a selfie bucket list, that's for sure, but let's get into the products, which I haven't like really hardcore looked at the products, but I've like pulled a couple out and tested it. Now, I was one of the lucky few to get the TLC Sukari Baby Facial Facial Licent, something like that by Drunk Elephant. This is an acidic peel, I believe, used once weekly. And I learned that the hard way because I thought it was a mask, so I went to test it the other day as like a settle down for the night type thing, and this was burning my skin. Like for the first 10 minutes, it was really uncomfortable, and if it gets in your mouth, it tastes really sour, guys. But I definitely want to test it more. I haven't noticed like any like hardcore differences. Like, don't mind my non-blended blush. I literally like ran home to do this video. But I definitely want to try this, and I think it's really awesome that we got Drunk Elephant. This is probably one of the more upscale products and bigger sizes I have ever gotten in a Sephora Play. Usually Sephora Play is, it gets to be pretty lame sometimes. Well, I didn't even test this product because I didn't even open it. This is the Purity Made Simple Pore Extractor. There's only one problem with this. There's nothing in this. They gave me an empty box. Not crazy, right? I swear to God, guys, I got an empty box. I didn't even open this. This is the one product I didn't open. One of them, and it's an empty box. They gave me an empty box. So yeah, I got an empty box. Like, I can't believe that. Multi-action face mask. I wouldn't be able to tell you because it came empty. Well, that's useful. This is the Sephora Rouge Cream lipstick in the color. Oh my God, how many red lipsticks can I get? Another red lipstick by Sephora. They love to give us red lipsticks. That is like their go-to thing. This is probably my 3rd little red lipstick that I have gotten by Sephora. It's because I got the thing. The next thing I got is the Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Gloss in Gloss Ultra 2 by Urban Decay. It's like a super glittery bubblegum pink color. I've been really interested, and don't mind my nails, I've been gardening outside. I've been really interested in tying these glosses. Everyone has been like raving about them, so I definitely am excited to try this product. So this looks like it could be really pretty over a lip gloss or a lipstick. Barely anything, but it's like this very pretty glittery gloss, which it feels a little sticky, but I'm definitely excited to try. I mean, that's like nothing, but whatever. Next we have the Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For No Filter Mattifying Complexion Primer. Oh, I want to feel what this feels like. Ooh, that's the color of it. Feels smooth. Smells interesting. It feels definitely a little more oily, like the Makeup Forever ones feel, ooh, that feels good. I'm excited to try that. I feel like that leaves like a nice feeling film to the skin. Not that you want a film on your skin, but I feel like that could be fun. And last but not least, I got 2 foil packets, the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Shampoo and Conditioner, which I feel like is supposed to be a bonus product if my Purity mask didn't come empty. Not bitter. I'm not bitter at all. That's my punishment for being the one person that like got the Drunk Elephant product, isn't it? This is my punishment. Thanks so much for watching. All in all, I thought it was a pretty good Sephora play. I'm excited for the gloss. I'm excited for the mask. I am disappointed that there is no clay mask in there. Like, that was very odd. I mean, how many Sephora red lipsticks can I get? I feel like they've given me like 4 of these now. I've already told you 3 of these, and they're all in red. Like, it'd be cool if I was getting different colors, but I'm always getting red. And I like red, don't get me wrong. Red is like a go-to color for me, but like, when it comes to going to work, I usually stray away from reds and stuff because I feel like my boss looks at me like I have 7 heads. Probably not the most professional, but I like to wear red. So that is my Sephora play. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a fantastic evening and enjoy your hopefully not empty products. Have a great one. Bye.